Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate the Terminal 2 of Kempegowda International Airport at Bengaluru on November 11th, the official said on Wednesday. With the inauguration of T2, passenger handling capacity as well as counters for check-in and immigration will double, helping the people immensely. Built at a cost of around Rs 5,000 crore, Terminal 2 will be able to handle around 5 to 6 crore passengers from the current capacity of 2.5 crore annually. Terminal 2 is designed as a tribute to the garden city of Bengaluru, and the passenger experience is meant to be a walk in the garden. Passengers will travel through 10,000 plus square meters of green walls, hanging gardens and outdoor gardens, and these gardens have been made in India using indigenous technology. The airport has already established a benchmark in sustainability with 100% usage of renewable energy across the campus. Terminal 2 has been created with sustainability principles woven into the design.